Hey guys, today I want to share the honest review for Zeely AI. Are you searching for a real, no-nonsense review of Zeely AI in 2025? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and where you should be careful. At first glance, the platform looks incredibly simple to use. It promises automated ad creation, fast campaign launches, and AI-powered optimization. However, the bigger concern isn't the setup process. It's the financial commitment and long-term dependency it can create. To unlock meaningful growth, users are often pushed toward higher-tier subscriptions. That means recurring monthly costs can quickly add up, especially if you're relying heavily on the platform's proprietary AI system to run your campaigns. So what does Zeely AI actually do? The tool claims to generate AI influencer-style videos and static ad creatives directly from a product link. For small businesses, and this can dramatically reduce the time spent on content creation. Instead of filming, editing, and designing from scratch, the system handles most of it automatically. It also allows users to launch social media advertising campaigns within minutes. Budget suggestions and optimization features are integrated into the dashboard, making it beginner-friendly. That said, there are some drawbacks. Users report occasional inconsistencies in avatar quality and ad realism. While the concept is powerful and convenient, the execution isn't always flawless. Now let's talk pricing. The starter plan begins at $29.25 per month, which may seem reasonable at first. However, the growth plan, priced at $17.95 per month, under promotional annual billing, appears to be the option most users choose. The difference in value is significant. The basic tier limits you to around 10 ad campaigns, while the higher plan dramatically increases your creative output capacity, offering access to hundreds of ad variations. If your goal is aggressive social media expansion, the mid-tier plan provides more flexibility and potentially better returns, but only if you consistently use the features. However, there's another side to consider. Independent reviews reveal mixed feedback. Some users praise the automation and convenience, but others warn about recurring billing concerns, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and unsatisfactory customer support. There are also complaints related to ad performance metrics and disputed charges. Because of these recurring issues, some users advise caution before committing long-term. So what's the final verdict? Zeely AI offers speed and automation, which can be valuable for businesses that want fast ad deployment. But the cost structure and reported customer service problems mean you should carefully evaluate whether it fits your needs before subscribing. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay informed, stay cautious, and make smart digital moves.